Welcome to Quaint Cosmos. Is Einstein rolling in his grave? This is a question. And what is the answer to this question? Answer is maybe, but just a little. Yes, this is the answer to this question. But in which context this was asked? This is asked actually in the context of a quantum entanglement. You know, Einstein is popular for so many discoveries like special theory of relativity, photoelectric effect, general theory of relativity, and so many things are there. Okay, but Einstein couldn't believe quantum entanglement. Yes, he couldn't believe. According to him, any object's behavior should be influenced by its local surroundings. But according to quantum entanglement, this doesn't happen. According to Einstein, faster than light travel is not possible. But quantum entanglement shows us that information transfer, the speed of information transfer is faster than light. And that's why he mocked at it by saying spooky action at a distance. Yes, this was said by Einstein. Spooky action at a distance. No doubt quantum entanglement looks like a spooky action, and actually the underlying mechanism is still not unknown by anyone. Okay, research is ongoing, but the actual meaning or the underlying mechanism is not known to us. What is quantum entanglement? You know, quantum entanglement means if two particles are entangled quantumly, then in that case, if you change the state of one particle, immediately that affects the other. That phenomenon is known as quantum entanglement in the subject field of quantum physics. And there are so many uses. Scientists are using this process, quantum entanglement, or this, better to say, phenomenon. Scientists are using this phenomenon successfully in so many fields like quantum computing, in quantum cryptography. Scientists are using this. But the underlying mechanism is not known. Anyway, I was talking about, is Einstein rolling in his grave? And why did he actually say spooky action at a distance? So for this thing, one theorem is there, proposed by physicist John Bell, and his theory is known as Bell's Theorem. Okay, this was discovered in the year 1964. And using his theory, quantum entanglement was tested. And what was the result? The result was really the phenomenon is spooky. Underlying mechanism is not known, but this is not influenced by its local surroundings. Okay, it actually seemed, the results actually seemed like faster than light travel, but by using quantum entanglement, you cannot send any information which can move faster than light. Whether any information is traveling or not, that is still not known. But the result looks like that thing. Information is moving faster than light. The result actually appears like that. Because whenever you are changing the state of one particle, immediately that affects the state of the other one. Whatever be the distance between the particles are. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Quantum entanglement, is Einstein rolling in his grave? So answer to this question is maybe, but just a little. Okay. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. If you found this video insightful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.